success stories where your strategic financial advice has made a very significant or positive impact on your clients' life to improve their financial well-being?
Yeah, Anu, there have been a lot of such moments when I felt really thankful to God to be in the right place. As I said, I took up this profession because I was really passionate about it. Women was something, education was something which was prime. So there's one case that I do remember. There was this, young Air Force officer's wife. Unfortunately, her husband died in an air crash. She had an 8-year-old boy. And though her husband had done investments, but they were like without a strategy, they were scattered all over the place. And a lot of advice was coming her way. Like, you can do this, you can do that, put it into a property. Now she was worried, and she was really worried that, it should not fall into the wrong hands. She should be able to invest it for her son's future. So what I did is that we took stock of her current, whatever investments were there. We took stock of her goals, which was to educate her son, which would be around 10 years later from then. So I put that, we worked out a strategy, took care of her cash flows, and also planned for the future. Now, jab she could be confident that my cash flows are being taken care of and everything is being like set up for my son, she could focus wholeheartedly on bringing him up. And today, just about 2 years ago, this boy has turned 18. He's joined a very good engineering college, and I'm so happy that she could use that money to pay off the fees. Wow. So these are the kind of satisfaction levels that one can achieve, and I really hold that woman very dear because I can see it that what we try to do has paid her dividends.
Absolutely. Lovely, lovely.